Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can check how much random access memory you have on an Android 14 phone. So first order of business is to reveal the developer options or make them active, which you can do by going for the About Phone category of settings. Then at the very bottom of the About Phone page, continuously tap at the build number like that until you'll see you are now a developer message. Then re-enter Google category, or excuse me, not Google category, but system category. Open developer options. And over here, at the memory page or memory use page, you can see how much RAM you have in total, how much of it is free, how much of it is being averagely used, and what is the performance condition, as well as see your memory usage by apps. Memory app usage, rather. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.